What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Lenovo Tab P12 tablet with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, all of the accessories and stuff we got in this box, the design, display, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the image of the Lenovo Tab P12. It comes with Tab Pen Plus that you can see in this image as well. We got 12.7-inch display with 3K resolution. On the back of the device, we got some information like it comes with 12.7-inch 3K LCD display. We got 4 JBL speakers, an octa-core processor, long battery life. It supports Lenovo Tab Pen Plus as well as the keyboard. The device is powered by Android. We got the JBL speakers and the processor used is MediaTek Dimensity 7050. In terms of storage and RAM, we got 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. So let's open this box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Lenovo Tab P12 tablet, a charger, a USB Type-C cable. Here we got the quick start guide, user manuals. For the pen, we got a tray ejector pen, we got a tip for the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus, and once again some quick start guide and user manuals. And here we got the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box. The Lenovo Tab P12, USB charging cable, a charger, a SIM or memory card tray ejector pen, Lenovo Tab Pen Plus, an additional tip for the pen, and some quick start guide user manuals. So here is Lenovo Tab P12 in storm gray color. So let's switch it on. So now I will have to go through the setup process and after that we will have a detailed look on our Lenovo Tab P12 here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Lenovo Tab P12. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got this huge 12.7-inch display with 84% screen to body ratio. So we got bezels all around the display. They are similar in terms of thickness, and considering that it is a tablet, this much bezels are actually quite good because you hold the tablets like this in your hand and usually your palm and the thumb touches the sides of the screen. So compared to smartphones, a bit thicker bezels on tablets are actually preferred. It is actually more important when you hold the device in portrait mode. At the center of the top bezel, here we got the front facing camera. On the right side, we got 2 speaker grills, USB Type-C port. On the left side, we got another pair of speaker grills and the power button, underneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor as well. I would prefer if the size of the power button was a bit bigger as it would help in using the fingerprint sensor in a better way. In the center you will find the dedicated micro SD card slot to expand the storage. At the top we got the volume up and down buttons, couple of microphones. At the bottom we got the pogo pin connecting points for the keyboard, and at the back of the device we got the dual tone paint job, this Lenovo branding, Dolby Atmos branding, JBL branding, some regulatory information, and here is the camera module where you will find rear camera along with the LED flash. This is the point where a magnet is provided for the stylus, so you can just put the stylus here and it will be stick to the back of your Lenovo Tab P12 as you can see here, and this magnet is quite strong. The stylus is not coming out of the body as you can see here. The metal unibody design looks beautiful and premium, but it comes with in just one color option, and that is quite business. If you want some flashy color options for your tablet, then you will have to get a custom skin on your Lenovo Tab P12. It is just 6.9 mm thick and weighs only 615 grams. So considering the fact that it comes with a huge 10,800 mAh battery with 12.7-inch display, it is pretty lightweight as well as quite slim. Few things I'm missing here is that it does not come with any kind of protection on the display and the device is not IP certified in any way. Now talking about the display, we got a huge 12.7-inch display with 1840 x 2944 pixel resolution with 16:10 aspect ratio and 84% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is around 275, and considering that we got it on a tablet, it is still good enough. So you will get sharp viewing experience on Lenovo Tab P12. As you can see here, the viewing angles are also quite nice and the colors are vibrant and very well saturated. But if you compare it with some other tablets in its price segment, then you might find some tablets providing AMOLED display instead of the LCD display we got on Lenovo Tab P12. Another drawback here is that it comes with just 60Hz refresh rate. That is again a bit low compared to other tablets in its price segment, and the maximum peak brightness can go as high as only 400 nits. So if you plan to use your Lenovo Tab P12 in bright sunny outdoors, then you might feel a bit of issue because of the low maximum brightness capability of this device. The touchscreen sensitivity is still quite nice, and you will enjoy watching multimedia content or reading ebooks on Lenovo Tab P12. It also comes with a dedicated reading mode that converts the display into black and white to provide a more book-like reading experience on your tablet. The reading mode also comes with 20 inbuilt music that you can enjoy while reading ebooks on your Lenovo Tab P12 for a more immersive experience. Talking about the hardware, we got MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor on this device with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, out of which 16GB is preoccupied, so you will get 128GB storage once you start using the device, and if it is not sufficient for you, then you can use the provided microSD card slot to expand the storage of your Lenovo Tab P12. In terms of software, it comes with Android 13 along with Lenovo ZUI. So this is what you will find on the home screen. As you can see that it comes with plenty of Google applications. We got the Lenovo Vantage. Here you will find a dock showing the recent applications that you have used. If you tap on this, you can go to the app drawer, and here you can see that it also comes with Kids Space. We got My Script Calculator too. You got the Nebo that you can use along with your stylus here. I will make a separate video that how you can configure and connect the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus with your Tab P12 and all of its features. So if you want to know more about the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus and how you can use it with the Tab P12, then do not forget to watch that video. And then what we got here is the recorder, weather, WPS Office. So most of the applications you can see that are basically just Google applications, some Lenovo applications. And here we got the Tide as well that let you be calm and mindful with the nature. And once you are in any of the applications, then the quick access dock is still visible at the bottom. If you swipe right from here, then you can see that it comes with the Google's entertainment space, but for using it you will have to sign in and connect the device with Wi-Fi. It's not connected with the Wi-Fi right now. So the user interface is looking quite slick and good for multitasking, and it also comes with support for 4 windows for split screen or for the multitasking. So once again, that is quite nice for sure. We got a dedicated section for the pen and keyboard, and if you go to the advanced features, here you can see you can even do the particular key mapping for performing customized command while playing games. And then we got the Lenovo Lab features where you will find some new and upcoming feature for your Lenovo Tab P12. So as you can see, the ZUI on Lenovo Tab P12 is quite feature rich, comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity. Now talking about the camera, we got a 13 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording up to 4K resolution videos at 30 FPS. It comes with advanced AI face tracking, but there is no autofocus, and this face tracking feature works on various video calling applications like Zoom, Teams, etc. On the back we got the 8 megapixel camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with camera, AI scan, we got the video mode, we got the central portrait mode. If you go to the camera here, you can see that it comes with beautification, filters, AI mode. We got the HDR mode as well. I will have a look on the camera performance of the device in our future videos of Lenovo Tab P12. Right now I just wanted to let you know the camera based features and options we got here. So at the first glance, the Lenovo Tab P12 is looking a pretty solid tablet in its price segment. It comes with, of course, some pros and cons. So the display is huge and beautiful, but it is not bright enough. It does not come with high refresh rate. The hardware specs is good enough in its price segment. It comes with a dedicated memory card slot. We got Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6, 4K video recording from the front-facing camera, a huge 10,800 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, fingerprint sensor, and Dolby Atmos powered quad JBL speaker setup. It also comes with this Lenovo Tab Pen Plus bundle in the retail box that is not pretty common, and with tablets from other brand, most of the time you will have to buy it separately. But this is just a first impression video. We will see how good the Lenovo Tab P12 is going to be in many different aspects in our future videos. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.